everyone, and welcome back to Beacons 101, where we give you mini tutorials on all things beacons. Today, I'm going to show you how to collect customer reviews from your beacon store. There's multiple reasons for wanting to collect customer reviews, but I'm going to give you two. First reason is to make your product better. Having so many people purchase your product means that there will be people that will point out little bugs or some needed improvements. Take the feedback and make changes when needed. Second is social proof. Use these reviews and post them on your product page so that people can see real reviews from people who've actually bought your product. This will make a buyer more likely to purchase from you, thus more cash in your pocket. Let me show you how. Head into Beacons and on the left-hand navigation, click on Store. Go to your digital product and you'll be sent to your product builder. Go all the way to the last tab called Email Confirmation, and you'll see at the bottom of every email we actually include a block to already collect feedback. Just make sure to ask for product feedback in your email content block. To actually see reviews, head back to the Beacons main store tab and click on Reviews and Inquiries. Here is where you'll see all your product reviews. Now, to add it to your product pages, all you have to do is press this button here labeled Add to Product, and it will automatically add it to your product page. If you need additional help, check out our help center in the description below or email us at support@beacons.ai. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.